Hazrat Abu Salama has reported from Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about the cessation of revelation. One day while I was going, I heard a voice from the sky. I whereupon raised up my head to see the same angel sitting on a chair between the heaven and the earth that had come to me in the cave of Hira. His sight filled me with awe so much so that I fell down on the ground. I then came back to my wife and asked her, "Wrap me up in a blanket, wrap me up in a blanket." So I was wrapped up in a blanket. Thereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, "O the mantled one, stand up, then warn, and magnify your Lord alone, and keep clean your clothes, and remain away from the idols." Abu Salama says, "Ar-rijzu" means idols. Then the revelation starts coming in short intervals and regularly. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4926.